Yes, please mute your mic. Jai Gurudev, on behalf of Mahalakshmi Vidya Mandir, Senior Secondary School Mangadu, I welcome you all to the Apasita Garden online class. Dears, please mute your mic. Tarun Vijay, please mute your mic. A very good morning, dears. I hope you are all following what ma'am told you in yesterday's class, right? You must respect your family members and elders. How are we going to show respect, children? We are going to show more love, care and affection to them. Okay. Also, we are going to be very attentive when they call us for help. Shall we do that, children? Yes, very good. With that note, let's begin our session with prayer. Children, sit straight, join your palms, close your eyes and say along with me without unmuting your mic. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Shashak Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Saraswati Namasubhyam, Varadev Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhat Bhavatu Me Sada. Children, open your eyes. All over the world, coronavirus has spread, so we need to maintain social distancing and you must wear the mask. The next, wash your hands. Children, wash your hands properly with soap or liquid hand wash for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer frequently that help us to free from the germs. Can you see, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hi, dears. Now we are going to update the calendar. We are in the year 2020. We are in the year 2020. Next comes the month. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Yes, let's say all the 12 months names in different way, children. Yes, listen carefully. We are going to snap for the month which has 31 days and we are going to clap for the month which has 30 days and we are going to pat on our shoulders for February month which has 28 days. In leap year it has 29 days. Okay, children, shall we say all the 12 months name? Are you ready? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Yes, we are in July month. We are in July month. Just the 7th month of the year. Just the 7th month of the year. Next comes the day. Let's recap the days of the week with song, children. Yes, you can also sing along with me without unmuting your mic. Okay. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday. F R I D A Y. Today is Friday. Today's date is 3/7. We are in the 7th month, July month. and 2020. We are in the year 2020. Today's date is 3/7/2020. Yes, now we're going to update the weather. Yes, children, shall we update the weather with the song? Children, look outside. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy or windy? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy or windy? Yes, children, look outside and see to yourself whether it is sunny or windy or cloudy or rainy. Okay, children? Very good. Now, ma'am is going to turn off my video and look at the screen. We are in block 2, my senses. We are in block 2, my senses. We have math time. We have math time. In math time, we are going to recap the numbers from 1 to 10. We are going to recap the numbers from 1 to 10. Yes, children, in our last class, we learned counting using object and pictures, right? In today's class, we are going to count the numbers in different way by using dice and 5-frame box. Okay, children? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you see my screen? Ma'am, can you see my screen? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, dears. Can you see my screen? Yes. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? It is a dice. It is a dice. See, dice is having dots. See, dice is having dots. Okay. Today we are going to count the dots. Yes, dears. Please mute your mic. We are going to count the dots. Okay, children. Shall we start? Okay. See, children, how many dots are there? Shall we count? 1. How many dots? 1. Next comes, shall we count how many dots are there? 1, 2. Yes, dears, you can also count along with me without unmuting your mic. Thank you. Shall we count? 1, 2. How many dots? 2. Next comes the, can you see? Yes, you can also count along with me without unmuting your mic. Okay, children? 1, 2, 3. How many dots? 3. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the next one. Shall we count, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots? 4 dots. Here comes the next one. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? 5 dots. Very good. Okay, children. Now we are going to count using 5-frame box. Okay, children. For this activity, ma'am is having. For this activity, ma'am is having 5-frame box, dice, and few objects. Dice and few objects. Okay, children. Ma'am is having 5-frame box, dice, and few objects to place it. Okay, children. Listen carefully. We should place only one object in one box. We should place only one object in one box. Are you ready, children? Shall we start? Now, ma'am is going to roll the dice. Ma'am is going to roll the dice. Okay? Okay, children, see what number we got. See what number we got. Shall we count? 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. What number we got? 2. So, ma'am is going to take 2 objects and place it one by one in 5 frame box. Ma'am is going to take 2 objects and place it one by one in one box. Okay, only one object we can place it in one box. Okay, children, let's see how many boxes are still empty. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many boxes are still empty? 1, 2, 3. Now, again ma'am is going to roll the dice. Okay, children? Okay, what number we got? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number we got? 5. But we can't place 5 objects because only 1, 2, 3 boxes are left. Only 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are left. So we can't place 5 objects. Okay, children? So now we are going to roll the dice again till we get number 2 or 3. Okay, children? Yes. What number we get? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, I'm going to take 3 objects. Ma'am is going to take 3 objects and place it one by one in 5 frame box. Okay, I'm going to place one object in one box. Yes. Shall we count how many objects are there in 5 frame box, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We filled object in 5 frame box. Yes, and we completed 5 frame box activity. Yes, dears, please mute your mic. Yes, I hope you all enjoyed this activity, right? Yes, you can also try it in your home and post the video in WhatsApp group. Okay, now ma'am is going to turn off my video. Yes, children, today's class we learn to count the numbers in different way by using dice and 5 frame box, right? Now, we are going to do another activity. Okay, children, look at the screen. We have 3 columns. In first column, we have a dice with dots. So, we have to count the dots and we have to write the number in second column. We have to write the number in second column. And in third column, there is a 5 frame box. In that, we have to draw the dots. Okay, children? See the first dice. How many dots are there? Shall we count? Yes, you can also count along with me without unmuting a mic. Okay? 1, 2. How many dots? 2. So, we have to write number 2 in the second column. Close curve. Slipping line. Number 2. Okay, in third column, we have to draw 2 dots. 1 dot in one box. 1, 2. Very good. See the next dice. How many dots are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots? 4. So we have to write number 4 in the second column. Slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. In third column, we have to draw 4 dots. 1 dot in one box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. We drawn 4 dots. The next dice. How many dots are there? Shall we count? 1. How many dots? 1. So we have to write number 1 in the second column. Standing line. Number 1. In third column, we have to draw one dot in one box. Okay, one. Very good. The next dice. Shall we count how many dots are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3. How many dots? 3. We have to write number 3 in the second column. Close curve and another close curve. 3. And in third column, we have to draw 3 dots. Okay, children, 1 dot in one box. 1, 2, 3. The next dice, shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? 5. So we have to write number 5 in the second column. Sleeping line, standing line, close curve. Number 5. Third column, we have to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. We completed the activity. Okay, children, in today's class in math time, we learned counting using dice and 5-frame box, and we did an activity. I hope you all enjoyed the activity, right? Now, we are moving to the theme time, okay? Over to Anna Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Pramila ma'am. Can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, dears. Happy morning. Yes, hope you all safe and good. Yes, today, actually this week, we are doing the recap of block 2, My Senses, right? Yes, we finished our math time and now we are going to see theme time. In theme time, we are going to do the recap of 5 senses. Yes, you all know, right? In last class, we learned about 5 senses. Hope you all remember that. Yes, ma'am is also going to recap once again. Yes, dears, ready? Yeah. What is senses? Senses helps to learn what happened around us. Yes, we have 5 senses. Yes, there are 5 senses. They are sense of sight, sense of sound, sense of smell, sense of taste and sense of touch. Yes, so our body parts which uses these 5 senses are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, yes, tongue, and then skin. Yes, so eyes helps in sense of, so eyes helps in sense of sight. We see, with the help of our eyes, we see all the objects around us. Yes. Then comes the ears. Ears helps in sense of sound. Yes. Ears helps us in listening all the sounds. Yes. We can hear all the sounds with the help of our ears. Yes. Then comes the nose. Nose helps in sense of smell. Yes, with the help of our nose, we can smell different things. Yes, good smell and bad smell. Yes, then also our nose helps us to breathe. Right? So the next one is, what is that? Tongue, right? So tongue helps in sense of taste. Yes, our tongue helps to taste different things, right? Sweet, salty, spicy, sour and bitter. Yes. Then comes the skin. Yes. Yes. skin helps in sense of touch. Yes. So, our skin helps to touch and feel the things, whether it is hot or cold or soft or rough, like that. Yes, dears. Now, you remember all the senses, right? Yes. So, we learnt about 5 senses, right? Now, ma'am is going to, yes, I can see in the chat box, 5 senses, very good. Now, ma'am is going to tell a story. Yes, this story is about sense of sound. Yes, this story is about sense of sound. Yes, dears, are you all ready? Keep your ears open to listen all those sounds in the story. Yes? Yeah. Here we go for the story. Yeah. Okay. The name of the story is Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes. Now let's begin the story. Once there lived 3 friends. Yes. Sati, can you see the Sati here? Yes. Sati the horse. Sati. What's his name? Sati the horse. Yes. Then Natty. Natty the tiger. Yes. Natty the tiger. And then one more friend. Patty the bear. Patty the bear. Okay. Sati the horse. Natty the tiger. Patty the bear. Yes. The 3 friends were sleeping. Were sleeping. Okay. Were sleeping one fine morning. One fine morning. Sati the horse. Natty the tiger. Yes. Woke up. Sati and Natty woke up and find a friend. Where is that one more friend? Yes. Find a friend. The Patty, the bear, was missing. Oh, the bear, where is that bear? Yes. So, they were so worried. They were so worried and they looked around. They looked around and called, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? So they both went in search of their friend Patty. Okay. So they went. On the way they saw a river. They all went to search of their friend, right? So on the way they saw a river. Do you know how they crossed the river? Swam in the river as splish, splosh, splish, splosh, splish, splosh. And they crossed the river and they called out, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes. And then they somehow crossed the river and then they walked through the grassland. Then the grassland, yes, they walked through the grassland. When they walked through the grassland, grass made the sound sarak, 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 sarak. And they crossed the grassland. I called out, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes, somehow they have crossed the grassland. Then they saw a huge, thick, dark forest. Yes, the forest was so dark. Yes, they were so scared. You know, they were so scared and they hugged each other like this. And then the wind whistled over there like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, because the forest was so dark. And do you know how they called out? They were scared, right? Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes. So this Sati the horse and Nati the tiger somehow crossed the forest and they saw a huge waterfall. Yes, yes. Water made the sound. Yes, water made the sound like that. Yes, they crossed the waterfalls and called out, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes, and then they kept moving further. Then they went over a bridge. Yes, while they walked over the bridge made the sound. They held up tightly while they were walking. They held up tightly each other and the bridge made the sound crack, 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 crack. Yes, somehow they managed to cross the bridge, and after they crossed the bridge, soon it began to rain. It began to rain. Yes. So they played in the rain. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Yes. And they called out, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes. And then after the rain, the ground got slushy and muddy. Yes, when they walked on that muddy, slushy, slippery mud, shatak, like shatak, patak, shatak, patak, shatak, patak. Yes, and they called out, Patty, Patty, where are you? Patty, Patty, where are you? Yes. So they crossed that slippery mud, you know, and then they saw a shadow under a tree. Yes, they saw a shadow under a tree. Who was that? Yes, was Patty the bat was eating lots of honey. Yes, Patty was eating lots of honey under the tree. Yes, was sitting under the tree. Yeah. So this Fatty the horse, Natty the tiger ran towards Patty and said, "Oh, Patty, we thought you were lost. Yes, we missed you so much." Yes. So, all the three friends hugged each other and ate the honey. Hugged each other. Yes, and ate the honey. Do you know how they ate the honey? Yes. Slurp, 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 slurp. Yes, while they were licking and eating, that sound. This slurp, slurp, slurp. Yes, so all the three friends ate the honey together and went home happily. Yes. Hope you all enjoyed the story. Okay, in the story, Sati the horse and Natty the tiger had an adventure with different sounds. They heard different sounds, right? Yes? So what are all the sounds they heard? Yes? Shall we see that? Yes. What are all the sounds they heard? Yes. While they were crossing the river, the song was splish, splosh, splish, splosh, splish, splosh. Then they went through the grassland. Yes, grass made the sound sarak, sarak, sarak. They were moving the grasses, right? Sarak, sarak, sarak. And then they went into a dark forest, right? The wind whistled. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Yes. Then, after that, yes, waterfalls. Water made the sound. Shh. Shh. Yes. And then, they bent over a bridge. Bridge made the sound crack, 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 crack. Yes. And then after that, they played in the rain. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter. And after the rain, the ground got slushy and muddy. When they walked on it, the sound was shatak, patak, shatak, patak. Yes, and then last they were eating honey, right? How they ate? What's the sound? What was the sound? Slurp. While they were licking it, slurp, slurp, slurp. Yes. So these are all the sounds they heard when they went to find a friend, Patty. Yes, dears? Hope you all enjoyed the story, right? Yes. Now, Ma'am is going to do a recap. Yes? Yes. Today, we have seen math time and teen time. Yes? In math time, we did the recap of numbers and counting of numbers using 5-frame box. Yes, and in theme time, we did the recap of 5 senses, right? Yes, in the theme time, we also see a lovely story. That story is related to sense of sound. Yes, the story is related to sense of sound. We heard different sounds in the story, right? Yes. So, we did the theme time and math time, and we also did an activity in the math time. Now, Mom is going to sing a rhyme for you. Yes? Are you all ready? In math time, we heard one rhyme, right? Yes, we sang one rhyme, right? Pramila ma'am sang one rhyme. Hope you all remember that. Dotted frog rhymes. Yes? Shall we do that? Yes? Yeah. You can sing along with me without unmuting your mic. Yes? One little dotted frog hopped on a dotted log to eat a dotted bug. Yum, yum, yum. Two little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat 2 dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. 3 little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat 3 dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. 4 little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat 4 dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. 5 little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat 5 dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. Yes? Now, Mom is going to sing again. Somewhat fast. Yes, you can sing along with me without unmuting. Okay, dears, ready? Yeah, sit straight. Get ready for the rhymes. One little dotted frog hopped on a dotted log to eat a dotted bug. Yum, yum, yum. Two little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat two dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. Three little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat three dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. Four little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat four dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. Five little dotted frogs hopped on a dotted log to eat five dotted bugs. Yum, yum, yum. Yes? Hope you all enjoyed the rhymes. Yes. Again. Okay. You just tell me. You can tell the answers. I'm going to ask questions in the story now. In the theme time, we have finished math time and we sang a rhyme, right? Today in theme time, we learned a story, right? Now, ma'am is going to ask a question. You can tell the answers to your parents so that they will type it in the chat box. Yes? What is the name of that horse? What is the name of the horse?
Name of the horse.
Yeah, I can see the answers. Yes, Sati. Very good. Yes. What is the name of the tiger?
Tiger
or Natty?
What is the name of the tiger?
Natty.
Natty. Yeah, very good. And what about the bear? Patty. Yes. So you all observe the story very nicely and keenly, right? Yes. Patty, the horse. Natty, the tiger. And then the Patty, the bear. Yes, very good, dears. I'm very happy that you enjoyed the story and you all remember all the names. Yes, super. Very good. Yes. Now, so that all keen observers. Yes. So, ma'am is going to give you stars, smiley, and then ice cream for you people. Okay. You can also try to.
Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes.
Your screen is not visible.
1 minute. My PPT?
No, ma'am.
My video?
Yes. I can see your video.
Yes, ma'am. Now? Now, ma'am? Is it visible?
No, ma'am. I can see your video, but we can't see your screen.
Yes. I'm turn off my video now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dears. Yes. You all answered correctly, right? For that, ma'am is giving this all for you. Okay. Now, you can turn on your video and say bye to ma'am and all your friends. You can leave, okay? Stay home. Video. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Not fun. Video call.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Happy to see you all. Bye. Happy weekend.
Nandri ma'am.